us for ceremony. I know that we are all looking forward to and happy to be part of today's event where we are going to be officially commissioning your water system here at Naua. I acknowledge the elders of your community and I also want to thank you for looking after the staff from the MRD department when they were doing the investigation, trying to find out where the right place to source your water from, and also during the construction. I'm told that they were well looked after by this community, and for that I'm really grateful. We also thank the Almighty for the weather that we have today. I know that when we woke up in Sabsav this morning, it was a lot of sunshine, even in Labasa. But I guess this part of Vanua Levu probably needs rain more than other parts. And so we're grateful for the weather that we have today. The children of the schools have finished for the day, but they, I suppose, together with the adults, we understand the importance of water. Scientists say that human body is made up of more than 70%. 70% of our body is made up of water. And only 30% or even less is made up of solid or substance. That goes to show that our bodies could sustain itself without food for a longer period. But when we go without water, very short duration, we start feeling that we're beginning to lack energy, that we're beginning to lose consciousness, and that just describes what water is to human life. We also understand that water for us is an absolute essential part of our daily life. The ladies in the gathering today would understand. Going without electricity, not a problem. But when we don't have water in our households, that's when we begin to feel the weight of having to look after the people in our houses. I'm glad that after today, you now are going to be enjoying a water system that government has spent around $68,000 in order to get to your taps. Right, from the drill that I'm told is around 60 meters depth. That's a lot of hard work that has been put into making sure that we reach a depth of groundwater that is well resourced, that is clean, and meets the minimum requirement of drinkable water. There's one thing that I probably wanted to share with you, and just so that you can appreciate the quality of water that you are getting. Recently, a study by the University of the South Pacific has established that for most parts of Suva, where we have many forms of water sources, particularly from surface water, or rivers, and also processed water. They have been found to have negligible to a number of percentage of microplastics, the things that make water, drinkable water, giving it much concern. With groundwater, it's not expected to be an issue. because groundwater is clean, processed through rocks and mineralization. And so when it is pulled out into the surface and directed to your taps, they don't have the same interaction that surface water has with other elements. And so for you, the villagers, the community in Naua, and the many households that are going to be enjoying the water that we will have some taste of it today, this is quality water that has no contamination and which we feel after testing is safe to drink. But in having said that, there is a part of today that I wanted to use to remind you, or remind the households of how important it is to maintain your water system. After this, you will sign off on your water document where you will be informed. And the water committee will already have been informed and taken through the manageable extraction amount and rate in any given day. That's to make sure that you have a sustainable amount to draw the next day, and the next day, next week, and the next month. So your water table sustainability, as much as it depends on nature, and of course it depends on God's supply from above, it also depends on us in how we manage it from today onwards. And so I'm urging the elders of our community and of course the water committee to make sure that your pumping rate for a day is strictly observed. That you live within the means of the amount of water that is allowed to be extracted in any given day. So that is where the civic and our community responsibility comes in. So after today, when we commission, we will hand over this system to your community. And it will be on your community to make sure that it is sustainable, the system is kept safe, the area in which the borehole is located is cleaned all the time, and that up the slope and around the area where there is a buffer zone, you don't have animals that scourge around for food around that area. That's to make sure that your water system has a dependable lifespan to it. It's a project that is designed to sustain the community, and I hope that all of you, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources and all the staff that you have interacted with from the past to today, we will be able to appreciate this partnership, and I look forward to seeing your young children being able to be prepared, to be sent to school, no more water problems that you have in your community. And on that note, it's my greatest pleasure to officially commission and launch your Naua Village groundwater project. Vanua Levu.